Howdy, y'all. This is Thomas here, covering Uranium's day. Today is April 21st, and definitely didn't have the best day in the markets. It was pretty red across the board, and the uranium sector felt it as well. But what of this, really does it stop all the fundamentals, the bullish thesis that has attracted so many uranium bulls into the sector, who's really the retail, a large portion of the movement was started a really long time ago. So the bags are heavy, and definitely we've seen this volatility before. We've had higher highs, and we're making higher lows at the moment. So definitely, that's if you're unfamiliar with the uranium thesis, and you're just a passerby, you're probably going to get shook out of moments like this. This is a real big gap down in Paladin, but like I said, these projects are strong, have been around. A lot of these projects I've covered in previous videos. So if you're new to uranium investing, and you're looking to get a little bit more deep dive, a little due diligence, then check out those videos on my channel. Get better at hitting back on that one, huh? So there it is. It's there's a lot of movement. We've seen a lot of movement, um, lot of price action, and yeah, this is next gen. Got a beautiful, they have beautiful project that they've been working on for some time, really well developed. So I'm not getting shooken out of any of my positions on a day like today. So definitely, if if you felt some turbulence today, then you probably need to do a little bit more due diligence, so that you have the the mindset to survive this volatility. It cannot be a straight rise to the top, even for something with a beautiful clear use case as uranium. And then you have China launching reactors today. I believe they just confirmed 9 reactors. So all around the world, we're seeing this push for a fight for uranium, for nuclear power, and really everybody's trying to switch their baseload power to nuclear power. So we're seeing it all across the board. Um, if you're like me, I'm looking for these red days. I'm itchy for some days where if I could ever catch Denison under $1, that those are happy moments for me. um UEC definitely has had a lot of push. They got a great marketing campaign, so you see a lot of price action, and the volume has increased drastically in uranium energy core. So I've been noticing, because like I said, I've been observing this, this sector for a long time. So you can kind of tell when the flows start to change. All the, the candles just getting stronger. Look at the volume increase. So the smart money is moving in and accumulating. Um, some of them have moved faster than others. So not a that's not a problem. If yours hasn't moved, if you got a couple stocks that hasn't moved, then probably you need to do a seatbelt check, because you're probably primed and ready, and about to take off somewhere. So definitely interesting. I love Peninsula. I did cover them before as well. So if you're unfamiliar with them, go check them out. These are really, this is low cheap stock. And as the more interest the sector generates, the further down the risk scale people are willing to go, to really have a chance to 10x, 100x, possibly 1000x their bags. So I would expect that the trickle down effect and all the money that's coming into the uranium sector is will eventually hit these smaller cap, um, stocks. So definitely, I'm on the lookout for those. Uranium Energy already had a really big rise. I I remember when when they were at $5, and I was getting real excited. So it's nice to see them hit some all-time highs, and really, their story has gotten out there a little bit deeper, with their platinum and palladium play. So there's just a couple thoughts about the uranium sector, and just keeping tracks on some of the moves, and charts, and really keeping tabs on, and just a finger on the pulse. You got to keep paying attention to seeing all the developments. But like I said, these are long-term plays for me. So there's definitely some room for the traders to come in as the volume increases and liquidity increases. So we'll be seeing a lot more of that type of capital flowing into the sector. So hopefully everybody's prepared, and see you on the next.